going on, guys? It's finally that time again. It's cruise time. We're about to head to the airport. We're flying to Miami tonight, and tomorrow we're boarding Freedom of the Seas out of Miami, and I can't wait because it's our first Royal Caribbean cruise, so I'm really looking forward to the experience. It's just a small cruise. We're just going to Coco Cay, and then we're coming right back in 3 days, but nonetheless, it's going to be a great time. I'm going to film a lot. I'm going to have my GoPro with me. I really cannot wait to be back on a cruise ship because after this, our next one is until February 26th, but that is on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Well, we're officially on the way to the Philadelphia International Airport. Our flight's a little later. Britt had to work today until about noon, so we're leaving at 6 o'clock. We'll be in Miami around 9. We're staying in a 4-star hotel tonight right in downtown Miami. Unfortunately, though, we were hoping we were going to be leaving and it'd be freezing cold. It's been super cold here in central Pennsylvania, but today it's 73. But nonetheless, when we go on a cruise in February on the Mardi Gras, it will definitely be freezing here, so it's going to be a lot nicer being in warm weather. Well, after a long day of travel, we finally made it to Miami, and we're staying at the Eurostars Langford. It's right in downtown Miami, and like I said earlier, it's a 4-star hotel. And I definitely see why, because this view, as you can see some of it in the background behind me, is absolutely incredible. Here, take a look. Absolutely beautiful. And this skyscraper, definitely pretty tall. The only weird thing is yeah, there's really no privacy for the bathroom. As you can see, the bed's right here. There's the toilet. Bed here. There's the toilet. But that's fine. It's finally cruise day, and it looks like the weather cleared up this morning. It was supposed to be rainy this morning here in Miami, but it's clear. It looks like I'm going to be able to fly the drone. I'm going to see what cruise ships are in port, and hopefully I get some really good shots. But either way, here's some drone footage. So where I'm at right now flying my drone is the Bayside Park, and it's incredible views of downtown Miami. I know you guys enjoyed that drone footage, but we're a little too far from the cruise ships, but we are gonna head there about 10:30. Our boarding time's 11:30. I'm gonna go to the top of a parking garage and I'm gonna film some of the ship there, because as you can see, well, you can't really see even when I zoom in. All the way back that way is where the Freedom is. So I'll let you know when I fly there. Alright guys, well, we're up here at the top of the Terminal A parking garage, and it's going to be an epic spot to fly the drone from. I'm pretty sure I've seen other people do this, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. But as you can see, there she is. The Freedom of the Seas, our first Royal Caribbean ship. Alright, now that the drone flying's over, it's time to go board the Freedom of the Seas. Alright guys, so we finally made it to our staterooms, and we picked an interesting stateroom. It's right on the front of the ship on deck 6. It's got this cool little porthole right off the front, and as you can see, if a helicopter does choose to land, that'd be pretty sweet to watch from here. But you can actually walk out on that. We'll definitely do that at some point, but this view is definitely interesting, definitely cool. I'm not really sure what else we have planned for right now. We're kind of just going to relax. And we did have our first meal, and I do have to say, so far Carnival's food is way better than Royal's. The food was definitely good, but I've never really put any food back on a Carnival cruise. I've always destroyed my plates. But I'll talk about that more as the cruise goes on, because it's one meal. That doesn't define the whole experience yet. But yeah, we'll go see what we have to do, and we'll explore this ship. So a nice little touch that I noticed Royal added, they give you hand sanitizer, they give you a mask, because we have to stay COVID free. And as you can see, the wristband, I have a green wristband, Britt has a green wristband. That just means that we are fully vaccinated. We are allowed on all the places on the ship. So it's annoying, got to wear this the whole time, but I get it, got to have those COVID protocols. Alright guys, well that's our sail away. That's it for part 1 of this video series. Hopefully I get about 3 or 4 vlogs out of this, but we'll see. So far, we're having a good time. The weather's been but it's still been an awesome time. See you guys in the next part.